this video, we vary the wavelength of cosine with values from W of 6 to 12. So data validation, list of items, our values will be from 6 to 12. We can start with 6. Now the cosine, which is in the form of Euler's IMEXP. So this is equal to array formula. We begin with the complex 0 plus WIX. So that is 0, comma, because it's I, so it's comma, WX. So W times X. And we continue with the Euler's IMEXP. Euler's number raised to the power the complex number. And we take the real part because this is cosine IMREAL. Continue with the expansion, which is sine x raised to the power W times the summation of A times cotangent x to the power n, where the value of n is from 0 to infinity, which is 20 is good enough. And the value of A is array formula. So it is the combination. So combine W, comma, n. That's the first part. The second part, cosine Wn minus pi times W minus n times pi over 2. So it is 0.55. So cosine 0.5 pi 0. It's 0.5 pi times the quantity W minus n. W minus n. And we'll close this parenthesis. This closes the cosine. And we'll correct this. To correct that, we enter the if statement. If n is greater than W, then 0, otherwise calculate. Now it's corrected. We continue with the expansion, which is array formula, SERIESSUM. That's cotangent x of x raised to the power n, where n starts from 0, incremented by 1. And the coefficient, it will be this range. And we'll correct this. We'll correct this with an if statement. If x equals 0, then 1. Otherwise, calculate. Now it's corrected. Now we continue. We multiply this by sine x raised to the power W. So this is multiplied. Sine of x raised to the power W. And now they're the same. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. We show the trend line, the type polynomial, the degree 10th. For the label, use the equation and the legend position at the left. So here's our trend line. And we chart this. W is 0.7, changes to 0.7. W is 8, it changes also to 8. W is 9, changes it to 9. W equals 10, and changes also to 10. W is 11, and changes to 11. W is 12, it changes to 12. So this completes the use of the series sum function, the Taylor series sum function of cotangent, and the Euler's IMEXP function to show the wavelength, the changes of the wavelength of cosine.